So right now I traced out the shadowing of basically what the imprint at the bottom of the trunk is, so that the top of the fuel cell will actually be a flat layer, and then the actual fuel cell will be a little bit set in, so the lip will sit in the trunk to support the fuel cell. And then we'll mount that in there, seal it up real good, and then there's also going to be a second layer that goes across the frame rail that'll hide everything in the trunk, so you can still set everything you want, all your luggage, groceries, whatever, on top of the trunk area, and it won't disturb the fuel cell. Maybe if I move it over to this side, I won't get it. In a second, you want to see that? Move some of this crap. Ready? Go. This is where your God-given gifts are going to come in handy. I don't have many. Well, big ass ears is going to be the one for this one. Ready? Now bounce. Back eye jobs. Actually, we're not done yet. We can trim out a lot of this with the shear. Been to like the chiropractor where they do that table where it drops on your back? When I'm standing on there and you bounce, that's what it feels like on my knee. Little pressure. Pick over the back. No, it comes in handy because this would be a pain in the ass on the dance hall. Do you need more room over there? No. the bandsaw. See if it fits. So I'm looking a little too wide. Trim it down on the sides. Let's trim it down a little bit.
No go?
Not yet.
All right.
Never fits on the first time.
Oh.
Easier to take it off than it is to add it.
Yeah.
Hold on.
Fat boy fall coming in handy.
It's about to be big guy season anyway. You doing much bouncing, Sean?
I was the civilian. Still got a lot of trimming up here to do still, but we'll see where we're at.
What's up, man?
There you go. Yeah. Oh.
See, so we got a little bit of trimming up there, but I think once we do that, it'll drop in there.
Not too bad.
Although,
So you trim it back here to bring it back, and it'll.
we got
put it
this
up
dimple here in the car. Let me get my Sharpie.
Milwaukee Sharpie.
there. Hey. Feel free to send us stuff, Milwaukee. We love you guys.
They're gonna be like, nah, that man would. Maybe they'll make a whole pink line of something for you.
I'll dye my hair red for free tools.
The Jody line.
I like the Dunk Master line of reels. I want my line of
Yeah,
tools.
I think we'll trim that right here, and I'll go around this divot a little bit.